center point. They will execute a maximum performance climb with a split-S reversal. Double power first setting up for one of the more difficult and dynamic rolling maneuvers, thus tuck under brake. Approaching center point in left echelon formation, each power will roll his aircraft 270 degrees in ripple fashion, take separation, and rejoin commander Maddox in this diamond formation. Characteristics of a Hornet in the clean configuration. They will pass before you, virtually standing for Angels 5 and 6 on their tails. At less than 120 miles per hour, the state-of-the-art flight control provides slow speed handling second to none. From the right, the section High Alpha Pass. synchronized. Each pilot will perform an individual brake turn and exit the flight line in a separate direction. The very graceful roll brake. Making their approach to the flight line. Approaching center point. They will simultaneously roll their aircraft 450 degrees in section. Ladies and gentlemen, the very precise double tuck-over roll. From behind the crowd, Commander Banks is rolling out the diamond formation for another dynamic maneuver.